y'all, welcome back. I promised you when we came back that we would do buffalo chicken sliders. You know, sliders are really becoming, well, I say becoming, people love them. They're all the craze. You see them in every restaurant you go to.
You almost see them on every, even high-end restaurants.
And it's brilliant. It's just a mini version of a sandwich, you know?
Yes. You can eat a beef, you can eat a chicken, you can eat a crab slider. So it's a great way to give you a little variety on a menu. All right, now I'm beating 3 eggs and I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of wing sauce. Now, just use whatever your favorite hot sauce is.
And this one's got some kick.
It does.
Mm-hmm, sure does. Give it a sniff.
And this is Bobby's recipe.
I sniffed it and my head started sweating.
Smells to be a little bit on the hot side,
It is hot. This is one of my favorite recipes because I love chicken, and I love buffalo sauce. Two of my favorite things. I mean, buffalo is probably one of my favorite flavors.
Is it really, son? Now, I'm gonna use 2 cups of self-rising flour. All right, Bobby, if you would pass me, son, the salt and pepper, please. Okay. And I have 4 chicken tenders here that Bobby has pounded out, and they almost look like a small chicken breast.
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna salt and pepper them a little bit. I'm gonna flip those over, and then I'm gonna throw them into our eggs and our hot sauce.
A little egg wash and some hot sauce is about all you need for a piece of chicken.
It's some good stuff, y'all.
Now, while you're making the beginning, I'm gonna make the end. I'm gonna put together a really simple mayonnaise-based sauce for this chicken that's gonna be out of sight. Rather than spreading a condiment onto the buns, we're just gonna dredge this fried chicken straight through this, and it is gonna be probably more than 1 sin, but it is gonna be really, really great. I'm gonna start out with 1/3 cup of chopped celery here for this.
And notice, y'all, that Bobby is using the top part of the celery where all the leaves are, which the leaves add, you know, pretty texture, color, and a whole bunch of flavor. So, Bobby, I'm gonna take our chicken tenders and I'm gonna drop them down in our flour. This is looking good, son. I like the way you're taking this.
To that, I'm gonna add a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm just gonna eyeball that. And I'm gonna take this beautiful blue cheese. I'm gonna use about a 1/2 cup, and just crumble it in here. And if you would, Mama, grab that vinegar. Put in 2 tablespoons, please.
Okay, and I'm just gonna eyeball that. 1, 2.
I love blue cheese, too.
I do, too. All right, now I'm gonna drop our tenders down into our fryer now, Bobby. Now, I've got my fryer set on 350 degrees, so in these go. White meat chicken doesn't take long. You don't want to overcook it because it will dry out on you, definitely. And because these are boneless, they're going to be done in probably 5 or 6 minutes.
And to this, I'm adding a little bit of just salt and pepper to taste.
Oh, Bobby, that looks so good. All right, now I've got some little mini buns, y'all. And
my whole life, I'd never had a hamburger or anything from the, or a hot dog from the house for that matter, that Mama did not butter the bun and then brown it in a pan. So if you don't do that at home,
guilty.
Do it.
Guilty. This is the way Mama did it, and I continued to carry that on when it was my turn in the kitchen. We just all like our buns toasted with butter.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this sauce down here to the business end and cut us up some tomatoes.
I want to stick my finger, son, over here in your...
Taste it. Yeah, this is...
I love what the vinegar does to that.
All you're gonna need for these is a little bit of fresh lettuce and tomato.
It's a beautiful tomato.
Isn't it beautiful?
Bobby is slicing up aroma tomato, y'all, and it's just gonna be the perfect size for our little buns. This one appears to be floating right here, Bobby. I think they're ready, yes.
I mean, this is really, for real, straight up game day finger food right here.
Perfect for when the friends come over.
Yes.
Yum, yum, yum. Now, this is where Bobby and Jamie go a little bit different on their sliders. They dredge them right through that blue cheese sauce. Oh, look at these. They look yum.
I'm gonna get the buns.
Okie doke. So we're just gonna toss these in the blue cheese while they're hot.
Good grief. Y'all do these tonight.
All right, let's take the bottoms of your buns.
Okay.
All righty.
Just Dress these with a piece of this butter
Okay.
lettuce and 1 or 2 slices of tomato. That's all you need.
And here comes the star of the show.
Oh, wow, that's gonna be so good.
Get up there, you piece of chicken.
Let's hurry up and eat before somebody else gets here.
Oh my goodness, look at this slider, y'all.
Oh my God. How you like me now?
I've always liked you, son, but I have to admit now I like you a little bit more.
Oh God. Y'all, that's the best slider I've ever had. And buttering the buns and toasting them a little bit, it really makes it.
Oh.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.